Dear students, so now today we would move ahead in this chapter number 7 of class 6 science, that is getting to know plants. So there we were discussing about the parts of plant. See, there are two main parts of the plant. One is the vegetative part, another one is the reproductive part. The vegetative part can again be divided into three subparts. One is root, one is stem, and one more is there, that is the leaf. We have already discussed about the root and stem. So now today in this lecture we are going to discuss about the third vegetative part, that is the leaf here. So now let me show you the structure of the leaf here. Now if you see, this is the leaf. The whole surface of the leaf is known as the lamina. So this is the lamina. The whole surface of the leaf is known as the lamina, and the main rib that goes through the leaf, this is the main rib here. So the main rib that goes through the leaf is known as the midrib. Okay, now again you would find out there are small lines over the surface of the leaf. So these are the small lines. So these small lines over the surface of the leaf are known as the veins. These are the veins here. The lines above the surface of the leaf are known as the veins. And one more part is there, that is the petiole. So petiole is the part that is attached to the stem. So this one part of the leaf is known as the petiole. Okay, so mainly we have how many parts? One is this one is the petiole, and this one, the main rib that goes through the leaf, this one is the main rib. So this is known as the midrib, and the whole surface is known as the lamina, and the small lines, these are known as the veins. Okay, now let me tell you one more thing. You would find these lines in two ways. Okay, let me show you some more here. If you see, in this one leaf, the veins are parallel to each other. Look here, the veins are parallel to each other. This one is the mango one. Okay, so the leaf, so the veins are parallel to each other. So where the veins are parallel to each other, so such venation is known as the parallel venation. So here we have the parallel venation. You would find this parallel venation in case of the banana leaf also. There again you would find out the parallel veins. Okay, so here the veins are not intersecting, rather they are parallel to each other. But in this one leaf you would find the veins are intersecting each other. Rather they are not parallel here, rather they are intersecting to each other. So where the veins are intersecting to each other, so such venation is known as the reticulate venation. So we have two types of venation here. One is the parallel venation in this one leaf, and another one is the reticulate venation here. You would find this reticulate venation in case of you have people leaf. So there you would find out this reticulate venation, and you would find out this parallel venation in case of banana leaf. If you have the mango leaf, there you would find out the parallel venation. Okay, so mainly the parallel venation you would find in case of the monocot plant. Okay, if the if you have the monocot plant, there you would find out the parallel venation. Okay, let me tell you all this on the board there. So this is all about the leaf here. Okay, these are the main parts of the leaf. First one is the petiole. Petiole means the part of the leaf that is attached to the stem, that is known as the leaf. And second part is there, that is the lamina. So lamina is what? Lamina means the whole surface of the leaf is known as the lamina. Third part is the midrib, the main rib that goes through the leaf. This is known as the midrib. Okay, let me show you it once more. Midrib means this is the main, if you could see it, yes. So the main, this is the midrib. Okay, so the main rib that goes through the lamina or goes through the surface of the leaf, this one is known as the midrib here. Okay, and the small lines over the surface of the leaf, these small lines are known as the veins. Okay, so here in this case the veins are parallel to each other, so such venation is known as the parallel venation. And if you have the veins that are not parallel to each other, like in this one leaf, the veins are not parallel to each other. Okay, so such venation is known as the reticulate venation. So we have two type of venation, that is parallel venation and the reticulate venation. Parallel venation means where the veins are parallel to each other. For example, you would find out the parallel venation in case of the grass and the wheat leaf. Okay, mainly in the monocot, you would find out the parallel venation, and in case of the people and the rose, you would find out the reticulate venation. Are you getting this? And you would find out the parallel venation mainly in the monocot. So what are the monocot plants? See, let me tell you about the monocot and dicot in a brief here. Okay, before this let me erase this all. Now if you see, the plants, we are having the two type of plants. Some are monocots, and some are the dicots. Let me tell you in a brief. Okay, monocots and dicots. What are the monocot and what are the dicots? If you take the seed of a plant let's say you take the banana, okay, and if you just peel it out or you open the upper layer of the banana, you would find out a single inside there, okay. So that is known as the monocot, okay. So such plant is known as the monocot, okay. Now the plant, now you take the seed like pea or you take gram, okay. So now suppose you have pea, and if you just open the upper layer of the pea, it would be divided into two parts, okay. So such plant would be coming under the category of the dicot. Are you getting the difference between the monocots and dicots? Monocots means here you would find out a single piece there. You take the seed of the monocot, if you just peel it out, you would find out only there one material inside, okay. Are you getting? So such plants are known as the monocot. And if there are two, like in case of the gram, you just soak the gram, okay, you dip it in water for some days, and after that you peel out the upper layer of the gram, then it would be divided into two parts, okay. So because it has been divided into two parts, so it means it's a dicot, okay. So this is how, so you would find out the parallel relation only in case of the monocots there. Are you getting? You would find out the parallel relation only in the case of monocot, okay. You would read about these monocots, dicots in detail in your classes ahead, okay. Okay, that's all for today. Would be discussing some other topics about this chapter in the next upcoming lectures. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you. Have a good day.